This little guy got into our camper last night.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, little guy.
Just open the door and let him. Oh my god!
Well, good evening, YouTube. We are in the parking lot of a Walmart with the camper. We're on the eastern shore of Maryland right now, and we're actually heading to Virginia. This is the first time that we've ever stayed in the parking lot of a Walmart, so this is actually the first time that we're going to be boondocking in our new fifth wheel. This is going to be our third camping trip so far with the camper. Actually, no, the fourth. This is the third of this season, 2019 camping season. We got down here about an hour and a half ago, and we went into the Walmart. They really didn't have much food. We were going to buy our groceries for the week, but like I said, they didn't have much food, so we actually just bought some water and a couple other odds and ends, and then we walked over to a Wendy's that was about a mile away and brought that back and had dinner. And now we're actually using the inverter, and we're watching some television, so that's a first. So anyway, it's pretty neat. We'll see how the night goes. We have lots of nature over here. Frogs are making a lot of noise over in the bushes, and there's like a little bit of a gully over there. Some really loud bullfrogs, so I don't know how well we're going to sleep tonight. But anyway, let me go inside real quick, show you our setup for the evening. As you can see, we have our TV working. It's running through the audio system here. Oh, and a minute ago we were like blaring out the outside speakers because we didn't realize the outside speakers were on. But this is pretty cool. By the way, this device here is broken. When I hit the display, nothing comes on the display. I already talked to the manufacturer. They are sending me a new display unit. Hopefully it's just this and not the inverter itself. So anyway, something else to fix. Well, good morning from the Walmart parking lot. We are just getting ready to leave. Before the trip, we got a new tire pressure and temperature sensor for the camper, and one of them is not registering. It's just showing 3. They were all working yesterday, so we're not sure what's going on. The truck. The front of this thing is covered in smashed bug guts. Eesh. He needs a bath. Yep. Okay, so we're all set up. This is our site. Deluxe KOA pull-through site. I like it. This place looks really nice. We're out in the open. On a hot summer day, that could be pretty bad, but there is a breeze. And the swimming pool's over there, I believe. And the bay, the Chesapeake Bay, is over there. So Michelle and I are just stopping by here to get a quick bite to eat at the Cape Charles Brewing Company. It was recommended to us by the camp host, guy that directed us to our site, whatever his name is. Howard, his name was Howard. Howard directed us there, here.
So when you come up, I'm not the beer on Sunday, so just tell them.
So Michelle,
Yes.
how's the beer?
This is very good.
What was this
I'm
called?
Yeah, I
I don't remember either. It
don't know.
almost looks like soda. It's so
It does
dark.
look like soda. I don't know. I mean, it's pretty good. It's a little stronger than a Yingling, I think.
Just a little bit.
You think it is?
Yeah, Yingling is not dark like that.
I know, but it's not. I don't know. I came here with the intention of just getting something very light, but I don't think this is light.
No, it's
But
not.
I like the way it tastes. So.
And I got a pint of
Better
vodka.
Take it easy.
Yeah, pint of vodka here. Whew. Gonna be underneath the table here. That is a giant
It is
fork.
like, I mean, a fork. It is like a serving fork for like
A giant?
when you serve turkey on Thanksgiving.
Yeah. So, Shell, what did you think of the Cape Charles Brew House? Food and drink.
Very good.
Yeah,
I'll go back.
definitely. The rockfish sandwich was delicious. I said I would never eat any more fish again after the videos I've seen on YouTube, but I had to try it. And those crab ball appetizers were really good too. It's weird to say that. Yeah.
Crab ball.
Yeah, there's lots of crabs running around with no. Sorry. So Michelle and I have found the wonderful weekenders. There's Dave right here. He just cooked a wonderful dinner, him and Kim.
Hey, how you doing?
And we have some burgers here with baked beans and crab meat on there. We were not expecting this tonight. We were gonna eat chicken quesadillas. That's what we were gonna cook. Right, Shell? You don't know? Just say yes. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Looks like overnight more campers came in. Starting to fill up for the weekend. Today's Friday. I guess we'll have even more people coming in. So, wow, it's a beautiful day. Our air conditioning actually kicked on this morning because I think the sun is coming in from the east here and beating up against the sided wall. Anyway, Michelle and I are taking this over to Dave and Kim's RV. They're going to be making breakfast today. Well, we just finished up a delicious breakfast. Had shrimp and grits. Haven't had grits in like 30 years. They were really good. So now, just trying to find something to do at this campground. Probably just going to relax a whole lot and just hang out. Alright, so we're cooking some chicken quesadillas tonight. We got some onions, green peppers, red peppers. Michelle's doing the chicken breast up in the camper. And then we're going to do low carb tortilla shells with this. See how it turns out. Oh, by the way, we're going over to someone else's camper tonight. Right over there. And they are making pork chops and some other stuff. So yeah, that should be good. Oh, I think Michelle's making cookies too. Making cookies? Alright.
I already tasted it.
That stuff is gross. And then for dessert, we're going to be making snowballs. We have egg custard, root beer, and grape. Oh, and chocolate too. And marshmallow topping. And I'll show you guys how we make those in Maryland. A lot of people around the world, the country, probably have no idea what I'm talking about. But anyway, we will be making those for dessert. Well, chicken's almost done. It smells delicious. Okay, these quesadillas are kind of sort of working for us, I think. Kind of hard to flip over. But that's what they look like inside. Need some more cheese. But we just don't have enough cheese. Here we go. Quesadillas and home-baked chocolate chip cookies in the camper. This really is not camping. I don't know what this is, but it's not camping. This little guy got into our camper last night.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, little guy.
Just open the door and let him. Oh my god! Is it on me?
No. Come on.
Oh jeez. Can we just open the door?
Come on, little guy. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Here. It's like Harry Potter, the chocolate frogs. Oh, this is a library. Nature. Now that the frog debacle is over, we're cooking breakfast finally. Michelle's doing some bacon. I'm going to be making some Belgian waffles. Got some syrup, got some butter. Got a bunch of people coming over. There's lots of dogs barking. Alright, so we're all heading down to go get some ice cream at the ice cream shop, and I will show you guys around and show you what the camp store looks like and the little cafe that they have over there. And as I've probably said a number of times already, this campground is really, really nice. Dave and Kim just interviewed Michelle and I for their channel, which was very nice of them. Thank you so much for doing that. We really, really appreciate it. And we're definitely gonna be back to this campground this summer. We'll get down here, and up in Cape Charles, that pier that we were on, it looks like it's free fishing. So I'm looking forward to doing that. I really want to go fishing and crabbing this year for some reason. I haven't been in years, so we'll be back, definitely. Definitely be back. Thank you.
Exactly. Parents are like, oh, just go ahead. Thank you, honey. That's what I'm looking at from outside.
When you guys videotape in there, I was like, how this ain't a campground.
So this is the camp store here. That is a big blow up. Toys. More toys. They even sell sleeping bags here. This is a well-stocked camp store. They even have cables. 50 amp cables. Cookware. By the way, I like that. And we have snacks, some food. I actually came over here this morning because I needed some milk and I needed some, what else did I get? Oh, I got more bacon. So yeah. They've got Spree here. They have Spree. They have Spree. And it's cheap too. It's $1.29 a roll. That's a pretty good price. They have some beer, wine coolers, soda, more food. Shell, they have Spree.
They have flip-flops.
Flip-flops.
What?
That's not going to cool you off.
Well, if your feet are cool, you're cool.
Okay, if you say so. Here's the ice cream shop. They have bagels, cereal, danishes, pre-packaged breakfast sandwiches, and they've got hot dogs. Novelty ice creams. Oh, Dippin' Dots. Heavenly Hazelnut. I hear that's pretty good. That is like super, super dark ice cream. It's like a bottomless pit. I don't know. They all look really good. Butter pecan. I'm doing it. They also have a couple of arcade games over here. Air hockey. Road trip. They also have ice cream in containers here. Hershey's ice cream cakes. Coffee. A big cinnamon roll. I've actually seen bigger cinnamon rolls than that, but it's an accident or something across the street. It's across 13 right before the Chesapeake Bay Bridge tunnel. Sure hope those people are okay, or person.
Well, they didn't play it right.
No.
I can't wait to taste that applesauce. Wow, look at all this food. I know. It makes me happy. It makes me happy. Me too. This one on. Look at all this stuff. Elf spread.
This looks like Christmas morning around that.
What is that? Oh, this are those apples.
It's pork roast with apples in it.
I need to make one run through to see what we have.
And on YouTube, I'm telling you. Let me make sure I'm covered up.
Introduce them. Talk to
Derby,
them.
get
her sucking her lips in, her face in.
Okay, let me get rid of ACDC. Hold on, let me get rid of ACDC. YouTube will snatch us up for that.
Oh, look, she's got money in her hat.
Against rights.
Where's he
I don't
at?
even know. I just
Derby
touched
girl.
it.
Oh, and that's all that matters, ladies.
All right, I'm here with the wonderful weekenders, Dave and Kim.
Hey there.
Michelle and I wanted to thank you guys for such a great weekend. We had a really good time. And
So did we.
yeah. You guys want to talk about your channel a little bit?
Yeah, we can. We started our channel a little over a year ago. I'm pretty much a YouTube fanatic. Everything I learned about camping was through YouTube, how to set up, how to break down and everything. So I decided, without Kim's knowledge,
I always get dragged into something.
that we were going to start our own channel. Because I learned so much from YouTube that I wanted to give back to others who do the same thing and find out how to set up and break down and camping and things like that. So.
And me, I wasn't so much interested. I was like, okay. So the very first video that you see, I'm looking really ragged because I was like, okay, we're going to have like 2 subscribers and no one's going to look at this. So yeah, I try to be supportive. So, but now I actually like it, believe it or not. It's fun.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Well, thank you guys again. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys in August.
That's right.
Yeah.
And,
We're all going to get together again in August, and we're going to shoot some more video for you guys out there.
yep, and we had fun with you guys
Yeah.
as
Yeah.
well. You guys were awesome.
Yep.
It was like we've known them forever.
Yep.
It was great. So
They are a great couple, guys. So you
absolutely.
gotta follow them.
Yes.
Thank
like
you.
and subscribe.
Right. Thanks again, guys.
All right,
welcome.
thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, after 2 nights of trying to get a sunset time-lapsed, I'm heading back over to the beach because maybe tonight is the night. It's looking pretty good. Hopefully it turns out. The clouds look like they're trying to roll in. Maybe, just maybe. Well, this is going to conclude our trip to the Cape Charles KOA on the Chesapeake Bay. Anyway, the sun is setting, and I will leave you guys with that. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button if you like this video. We would love for you to stick around, and also hit that little gray bell to be notified of videos when they come out on our channel. Thanks again, guys.